Probably the biggest piece that is making us really rise above the rest of the elementary schools in our area is our computer science. It's been in the works for over a year now. We started as a code.org Hour of Code event back in December, and then meeting our partner, Code of the Future partner, Andrew Svehow, and we connected, we started planning and building and dreaming and visioning.
All of the teachers are integrating this across the curriculum. So it's not just like computer science time, it's integrated into their social studies, it's integrated into science, it's integrated into English language arts. And so it's really an approach to learning as opposed to just sort of an add-on.
Kids have been doing research, and so we decided to extend it out a little bit. We've included it with our reading. We've done a lot of reading, various stories, historical fiction, as well as nonfiction. And so now we've decided to pull it into computer science. And so we decided to create a scratch project that showed the different components of westward expansion.
For example, I have Thomas Jefferson and Napoleon here, and Lewis and Clark here, so I'm gonna do different sections. For example, and I also labeled it Louisiana Purchase, Lewis and Clark. And right now I have my wagon, and I'm gonna add some buffalo, and then I'm also gonna add a person and some family in the wagon or something like that.
I did it with my eyes closed.
You did it with your eyes closed? Air high five.
In trimester 2, we're currently using the Lego robotics. So again, we start with kindergarten first graders doing the Lego Unplugged activities where they're building the blocks. They're the little builders. In the primary grade of 2nd and 3rd grade, they're also doing a Lego We Do, which is sort of the intermediate step. And so as they're progressing through into 4th and 5th grade, they're going to be able to create the EV3 robots where they're programming the robot. They're incorporating all of that knowledge and building their projects.
I think it's important because it helps students to see how computer science fits into everything, and that it's not just another subject, but that it can really be something that they can apply to everything that they do. So as they're thinking about their careers in the future, whether they go into banking, whether they go into healthcare, whether they go into agriculture, computer science is going to be very important and helpful for them. Only 5% of high schools in the United States offer Java. And so it's really exciting that that's happening here. To make that possible, we utilize things such as chess, and the research behind the pre-instructional readiness for learning syntax like Java in elementary school suggests that you really have to accelerate their visual spatial abilities, and the research behind chess shows that it does that when it's taught in a very systematic way. So we put those two together to make it possible for kids to learn this at a much earlier age.
At home, I used to not have an iPad, I used to not have a laptop. I like technology, and I like the coding that you have to do in order to make it work the way you want it.
Skills that we're introducing to middle school students here in our district and throughout the nation, our 5th graders in 5 years will already have those skills. So we need to keep being progressive and innovative and think beyond what they're doing here at Rios today.